Get ready to effortlessly seat your tires with this powerful and efficient tire bead seater. VEVOR brings you a reliable and easy to use tool designed to help seat stubborn beads on all sorts of tires. Hello everyone and welcome to Deano Outdoors. In this video, I'm going to go over 4 key features of this VEVOR Tire Bead Seater as well as demonstrate how to use it. So let's begin. This tire bead seater quickly and efficiently seats all sorts of tires. Uses a durable steel welded construction and can withstand up to 150 psi's. Simple operation. Has a handle here, a grip handle down there. You flip over, open this safety tab here, and with the press of this button, it releases air out of the tube, inflating your tires instantly and seating your beads. And measuring in at just 28 inches long, it's portable and convenient, easy for transport and storage. The operating pressure of this unit is 87 to 160 psi's and contains a 9-liter capacity. Now I'll show you guys how to get this unit filled up and ready for use, and then we'll demonstrate it on a tire to see how well it works. Alright, so first thing you want to do is make sure that you have the valve closed up, which is right here. This is open, this is closed. We're going to connect our air line to this. And at this point, you're going to open up the valve until you see 8 bars, roughly 8 bars on there. Once you have your desired pressure on your gauge, turn off the valve and disconnect your air line. Now the unit is charged up and ready to use. Always make sure that the red safety cover is protecting the button. It can cause extreme harm. So I just recently got this new tire seated on this rim with the manual tire changer. We're going to go ahead and see if we can't get this bead to seat with the tire bead seater. It's important to note, when using your tire bead seater, wear gloves, hearing protection, as well as eye protection. It's very important. You never know if debris could pop out of there, fly and hit you. And the noise from the inflation can also cause some minor ear damage. So make sure you do safety first. All right, I got my eye protection, hearing protection, and gloves on. You want to have the valve stem on the opposite side that you're going to be doing. And you're going to set this down right by the edge of the rim and hold with 2 hands, and you're going to open up your safety. And when you hit that button, you're going to just pull away a little bit, and it should seat our bead. Let's try it out. And your bead is now seated. Though it's not full of air, it's seated pretty decent. So what we can do now is take our air hose, connect it, and just finish inflating it to the desired PSI rating. Even though the temps today are in the low 20s and we're getting some snow, that makes the beads a little bit stiffer and harder to seat. This still did a pretty good job. Although it didn't fill the tire up to any amount of air pressure, it was enough here to get the bead seated, so I was able to put the air hose on and inflate the tire to the desired air pressure. The construction of this unit is heavy duty. It does use a plastic nozzle on the tip. It does have a safety valve located right here So if it reaches over 150 psi, it will release the air pressure as to not cause any damage to the unit or yourself. And the handles on this unit are spaced out just the right amount so that you're able to get that right angle when you're seating the beads. If you guys are interested in checking out this product, I'll have a link down in the description. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments section. As always, thanks for watching, and remember to get outdoors with Deano.